You don't like it?
Yeah, me like it, but them not do them for me. Every me them a put post for them now. If all them are the class when I bring me down, and get them what they are classy man, all them tired of them and them bad argument. Every me them.
So you want them to feel?
Better know me want nice apartment.
Uncle Frank, when you look apartment, no apartment?
I never can get nothing because nobody don't want to rent me, my love.
The people them afraid. But you met the people them afraid of you?
What am I gonna say so?
You mount the bad? Yeah, you can't hear me, innit?
What am I can't hear me? What am I gonna say so?
Now you know you can't hear me. Derrick, now you know you can't hear me. You have Quicksilver, you have your good days and your bad days. You just wake up tomorrow and just feel mad and just start class every moment blood clots. So the people them are afraid. So they are gonna rent guest house to guest house forever?
No, that's soon over. But that's soon
By
over.
when?
Yeah, you're soon over.
Alright, so stick a pin. Can you tell me say they get house one at a time, them right?
You out and rock for me for leave.
And the people them say I have to leave. So if that I got one if I saw that all is gonna be the case, where I go do one
No,
the plan, must have a
let me tell you. When me keep me have a birthday, me spring either play one match, an official match for my birthday. Let me there watch it. One lady rent one Airbnb, then I watch it for me. And my done me spend Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Me live on it. I book out 12 o'clock. I leave 12 o'clock out of them place. And in a Japan, the course about the natural bus. From a town, the bus drop me. Me take a taxi and find so I'm gonna go to Rockford or all this. The house is a gated community. And my left and I walk up the road and my son girl said, come out, I said, good old Derrick. And you know the one talk, good old Derrick, and I'm go on the road. So I really tell you, some man at the one bar, the man and go say, see the Batman Derrick, yeah? Batman. So I answer that and I run at the car. This one can come around in the car. Come back at town. Go to my friend and pick up one TikTok share, one lady buy me and share, the game share them. And when I left, I don't have more lines with my friend and come back. So, I take the taxi, the man said, Derrick have 50. I said, no sir, I don't have $1,500. $1,500. I told me I have.
$1,500 for door.
The taxi.
From where?
From Mulland Road.
Go where?
Out of Rockford.
I rip you up. You should know you have money.
Yeah, money, me ball. Me tell you, me no money. I'm alright, come, Derrick. Open the gate now. Open the gate for going on. Mr. Rasta man in the yard, stand up. Look at him now, weird for me. And he said to me, you say a man, live up a man. Don't make me come see you in here, sir. Don't make me come see you in here, sir. That didn't tell me. And I go to the girl where get the place and I talk to her. And say that nobody paid my man. Why not? I must go and bed. I say, no, you know, I'm not going to bed because I'm not sleep. So I pack up my children.
So the man does tell us if you lift up and you're not bad itch, you just lift up.
Yeah, the early man, I lift up.
But probably that's trouble him, did that trouble you? You're not take the chance.
Not the shot, God. Then, not the chance.
All right, listen. And you know the man them are got trouble you. And anyway you go, you know people always are got trouble you, whether woman or man. Them not must I go do you nothing, but then that's a trouble you.
You're scared. I'm scared, you know about it.
All right then. So if I get a next house and that happen again, I go run left it again.
No, me not get up, me not get them place there. Me not get them place there.
We want to live uptown for one apartment.
Yeah.
I will put money that you know.
Right now, me there right now. On Airbnb, me spend about 4 months on Airbnb.
That's not bad. Eh? Which part? In a half a tree?
Yeah.
Okay. Why you up and get somewhere though?
Yeah. Tired of it.
This will never safe. So like when I got a guest house and so the man them not see you, when the man them are coming with them woman.
They're not trouble with me.
They're not me I tell you say the man will tell us if lift up him probably as I say lift up. Him probably say the next time not even bother paying a man.
The woman them are coming with them man. So when they come in the room, come sit down with me and the man in the room I wait for them and the man they not say nothing. The man them are turn up and take picture with me, with them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One nice man coming at the guest house, come fuck you.
Yeah, and sometimes I have to tell them, say, go on, man. They say, Derrick, we're not ready yet. I chat and take picture. And the man, they not say nothing.
Do you ever catch nothing down there?
No, sir.
None of the man ever screech you come in your room?
No. I'm not a band out with nobody.
Would I forgot at night time go catch short my style, say I can catch something.
No, let me tell you something. One lady say, see, one guy used to judge and come there and then find out say man or woman. And he get man down there.
All in drugs and go down there go catch the man them.
Yeah, my man coming when I'm ready. But then stop him.
Okay.
So the owner. The owner no one no brother take place in place. So you make him stop coming down.
Yeah, can you know the man them.
Yeah.
They love drugs and rob all the man thief all them phone.
But you know that you know about them something too.
Yeah. I'll let see who attack to you.
They no much know what talk to me.
Who attack to you?
I miss Brima. They no must know you.
Yeah, uncle. You look happy today though.
Yeah.
Like happy. So how much is the bleaching cream?
Them have what you know, them what like you can get a bleaching cream for $1,000.
Okay.
You have Cara White, all different bleaching cream.
That how you get the money?
You know no cash up?
You may have cash up. So you have cash up?
Yeah, that's what let me buy you.
A lie.
Yeah, look let me buy you. Me have.
Has somebody cash up and them send the money to you, or your cash up with they paying your phone?
I'm a friend cash up. See that sorry. His name is Denise. See cash up here. His name is Denise. See there.
Somebody has said please not bleach back. Man, I like uncle me can't take the black. I ate this?
Yeah, it's a cash up.
Yes, and it's $20. Yeah. Well, I'm messing it right now. Denny's Crossdale?
Yeah. May I message you and give me a number? I'll send me number to you.
So I'm send it there.
So,
to ask the person if them get
yeah,
it.
Look who me ask.
Alright, go later, big up yourself.
Yeah, thanks.